Guys, if there is something I have learned over the years about skincare, it is how to actually listen to my skin and not follow the crowd. You guys know that anytime a new skincare product comes into the market, people tend to, rush and go and buy. Even those that does not have money, they will go to the extent of, trying to borrow money just to get that one skincare product that everybody is talking about. But I am so exceptional. Like I don't do that. I don't follow the crowd. I rather listen to my skin. So guys, this Nivea Q10 vitamin C lotion. A lot of people has their opinion about this particular lotion, but in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my own, honest review, my experience with the Nivea Q10 vitamin C lotion. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. You are the real MVP. I see all you guys do and I really do appreciate. So guys, this lotion is one lotion that I would recommend. Mm, I would so recommend this lotion. Guys, look at my skin. I don't have any dark knuckle. I don't have any blemishes. You guys know that on this channel, I do not promote bleaching your skin. I would never ever, you wouldn't catch me doing that. I would never ever promote bleaching. So guys, Nivea Q10 vitamin C lotion is very nice. I have a very dry skin and I was looking for the blue container of it. I was looking for the blue pack, but I couldn't find it. So I had to go for this one because it has two variants, the blue and the white. I don't know, the blue and the white. And this white one is for a normal skin, like you have an oily skin, you can use this. But if you have a very dry skin, I would recommend the blue one for you. But the blue one, the only problem with the blue one is that it is scarce. The blue one is very, very scarce. So I've gotten this. This is the third bottle I'm using. Guys, the way I'm shaking it, you would even know. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but here, it's almost finished. It's almost finished, and I'm still going to repurchase this. So guys, the blue one, like I said, is for a very dry skin, but it is scarce. So my skin is very dry. I have a very, very dry skin, but then due to the fact that the blue one is scarce, I then had to get this one. Then I am using an oil with it. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the oil I am using. I see a lot of people mixing this vitamin C lotion, this Nivea Q10 vitamin C lotion, and I am very curious to know why they are doing that. Have you actually tried using it like that? Have you tried using the Nivea Q10 vitamin C lotion without pro-mixing? Because all those things you're mixing into your cream, you don't know how they were formulated, and they can damage your skin barrier and even cause you future um skin problems that you would deal with till the rest of your life. Why not just look for a good lotion and use without all those pro-mixing stuff? Rather just get an oil and use with your cream instead of all those harsh products that you guys put into your lotions just to make you fair and all of that. This lotion is for all skin types. You can use it as a fair person, you can use it as a dark skin girly, you can use it as a chocolate skin girly, whatever skin complexion you think you have, this lotion is going to be good for you, unless you use it and you find um any faults, maybe it's not good on your skin. But for me, it's actually very nice. Although when I started using it, the first bottle was not as good, you know, as okay, the first 2 weeks when I started using it, it was not really, I didn't, my skin was not really popping. But after like a month, I started seeing differences. And if I was not patient enough with this lotion, maybe I would have stopped at 2 weeks. But I decided to, continue using it because I've heard a lot of goodness about this lotion. So I just had to give it time. And then now I am loving it. So why don't you try instead of trying to pro mix the Nivea vitamin C lotion. So guys, some of the ingredients in this lotion is aqua, glycerin, alcohol dinates, glyceryl, the oh my god, it's too hard. I can't even. Well, I really do think that a lot of ingredients here are also found in any other, lotion. Like every other lotion has similar ingredients in them. So any lotion you use, unless you know that's one ingredient that your skin does not like at all. So if you just, maybe when you go to buy this lotion, you check for the ingredients and if you see that ingredient, do not just buy. But for me, I've not really figured out that ingredient that my skin does not like. I just buy a lotion, and when I start using it, if it's not good on my skin, I discard. But when I start using it and I start seeing, good results, I will just continue using it and just conclude that this lotion is good on my skin. But one thing I know for sure about myself is that I do not use harsh products. I do not use bleaching products. I do not use anything that would damage my skin or would cause me any skin problems like, dark knuckles and the rest of them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is where I draw the curtain. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for returning. If you're a new person on this channel, this is your first time I've seen my face. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to like, subscribe, share to anyone that would be needing this information. See you guys on my next video, and bye.